Hey everyone, I got the Fire Truck 3000 ready to be reviewed. So let's go. We start off with Jack. Jack has his white sweater on and his black trousers. It's the similar prints that we had before with the claw marks on the back. What is new is his phone. It's a new print. And I really like that they are changing the prints now and then. He has, I believe, a new face print that is really angry, and the other one, his second face, is smiling. So let's go to the next figure. This is Parker, and she has similar prints as before. It's not really something new. She has a new phone print, like Jack has a new phone print, and her face, I don't think it's a new face. It's a face we had before, but she looks like confused. And as a second face, she has a happy face. This is GB, and I think she has a new face print where she looks really shocked. Her phone is the same phone we had before in other sets, and her outfit is similar to the ones we had before. I think it's the same outfit. There's not really something new about her. What I want to see in the future is her goggles being placed on her face. It's not really something we had before, so that would be a really nice add-on to the minifigure collection. As a second face, she has a happy face too. So you have either a shocking or angry face or a happy face with the minifigures of the Hidden Side series. This minifigure is quite interesting because I think that this is a reboot of an old minifigure of one of the older sets, and it's called TV. It has a really nice leg printing, and it's this piece that they used to put on one of these two faces you get. So it's either or sad or it's smiling. I really like the antennas on top, and that's everything for this figure. This is a Shadow Walker, and it's one of the villains of the set. It is a really nice print and a nice sword with him. There's also some prints at the back and a nice cape piece that you can take off, and you can look through his head, and he has these nice spooky eyes. This is the main villain of the set. This is Neymar Reem, and he looks a lot like Slender Man. These are all those thorn pieces that you can use. And these are all prints. It's a really scary figure because it's so tall and looking so scary. This is the fire truck. You can see they use these pieces all over the wheels to make it look more futuristic. Here are some panels you can spin around to change the colors. Same as on this side. These are all the art on the truck are stickers, except for one piece inside of here with a panel. But I will show you that later. These pieces can open up and reveal this and a color to use with the app. There's an axe here, and these can open up as well and reveal the same thing but at the other side. Now inside the truck, the front of the truck is really nice with this round shape, and on the top we have some horns and lights. On the inside of the truck we have a computer room with some lamp or something with a monster in it that they can use to study. And the inside is a steering wheel and 2 seats. In total you can fit 4 mega minifigures in there, I think. I'm not sure. It must be. And the play feature with this is that you can lift this off. And that reveals the color wheel. And also you can open this up to reveal another color. Now, to form the mag, you have to change this to the other direction, and you can just spin this like this. It's not that stable because you don't have any way to spin this around or it will break off. But if you just turn it right, it will just stand. It's okay. For feet, they use these pieces that you have on the side of the truck, which is really nice. And I like this blaster machine that they have on top. And at the back you have some more lights that can be used to fight. I don't know. Here is the print that I mentioned before. This is also print. Looks really nice. And a steering wheel. You can fit 2 minifigures in here, which is really nice. And to change it back. It's a little hard to get this right. You have to fit this just under here and close it down. And then you can fit this back at the truck. For the back you have these feet of the Mac. You cannot pull it up like this or it will get loose. So you have to really steer it around with your hand underneath it or by using the front. So that's the fire truck. Let's take a look at the instructions. I found a little mistake that you can get confused by, because these pieces are just put in here, and if you get further you see them connected, and then this piece is placed here, and it's just really weird because it used to be put in here as all the other images show you, but then it's just placed here, and you can see it here that it's on the right side and placed well, and here it's just placed over here and not there, and that's really weird. But it's something that if you go back in the instructions will find and nothing to worry about. So you can collect your ghosts and advertisements for the winter wave and the summer wave that just came out. So let's go to the box. For the box you have this beautiful hidden side style art design with the TV, Parker and Jack and GB, and on the other side you have the bad guys. That's really cool. You have a side print, and at the back you can see more information about how to use the app and what play features the set has. I think this set it's worth your money just because of this figure. It's really cool. And the little TV the TV minifigure is a reboot of one of the older figures that they did many years ago. So this is my review about the fire truck from Hidden Side, and I hope you enjoyed, and just leave a comment with your opinion, and leave a like and comment to the channel if you want to see more content coming your way. So I see you all later. Bye.